喺新版嘅 OpenWorld Designer 2025咧，除咗有一個關於 Link with SMO 嘅一個WMTS 嘅 map 之外啦，一個可以將Lens Department 嘅WMTS 咧 link with 之外咧，咁另外咧仲有一個新嘅功能咧係關於 Google 3D 嘅。咁如果你咧係着嘅係一個 3D file 啦，咁你嘅 GeoReference 要做到啦，之後你都要 take 一着個 Google 3D。咁你應該咧就可以喺個 OpenWorld 啦、OpenWorld 或者甚至 MicroStation 入邊咧，就見到一個 3D 嘅一個 Google 嘅 3D 嘅 map 喺呢個 OpenWorld Designer 度用。咁如果咧你嘅係 3D design 咧，咁應該會 overlay 埋呢個 3D map 噶啦。咁呢個就係香港 3D map 啦。咁亦都有 WMS 啦喺零嗰度啦。咁亦都有你嘅 base design 喺度。咁呢個咧就係喺 OpenWorld Designer 2025可以做到噶啦。